Welcome to the Yes or No English Podcast channel. This channel helps you learn English in a simple way through daily usage English, story practice, and shadow speaking.
Practice daily and grow your confidence in English.
Hi, everyone. Today we're practicing at the toy store sentences.
Ready? Let's go.
The toy store is very colorful inside.
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 Many toys are displayed on the shelves.
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 Soft teddy bears sit on the top.
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 Dolls are arranged in a long row.
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 A big dinosaur toy catches my eye.
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 Toy cars are in the next section.
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 Puzzle boxes are stacked together neatly.
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 Building blocks come in different colors.
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 Remote control cars are very fast.
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 A toy train moves on a track.
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 The train makes a gentle sound.
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 A toy rocket is in the corner.
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 The rocket has bright red fins.
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 A princess doll is dressed in pink.
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 A firefighter doll is wearing a helmet.
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 I find a soft rabbit toy inside.
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 The rabbit has long, floppy ears.
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 The price of the rabbit is low.
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 I decide to buy the rabbit toy.
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 I carry the toy to the counter.
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 The shopkeeper wraps the toy nicely.
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 I pay the money to the shopkeeper.
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 The toy is put in a paper bag.
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 I smile and thank the shopkeeper.
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 I feel happy with my new toy.
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 Wonderful. You just practiced 25 at the toy store sentences.
Subscribe for a new video every day.
See you next time.